Usually when you hear a waffle cone, you think, okay, thinly rolled crunchy waffle with ice cream and different sweet toppings. You would never think about something savory going with it too. Well, today we're doing both of that. That's right, today we're taking waffle cones and we're not only doing a dessert with them, we're also doing a savory version of it too with fried chicken on the inside. So I guess you could say this is a different version of chicken and waffles, chicken and waffle cone. You get what I'm saying. And here go the waffle cones we're using right here. And hold on a second. Before y'all say something, yes, I could have made them by hand. The thing is though, I don't have a thin waffle cone maker, well at least not yet. So we're gonna use these good old pre-made waffle cones. So now let's get into the video. We're gonna start off by getting our chicken ready. And I got 2 whole chicken breasts right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them into strips and then we're gonna cut them into chunks. So do a decent strip. And now do about 1-inch size chunks. But you take your chunks and throw them in the bowl once you're done. Our chicken in the bowl, so we're not gonna add in buttermilk to help tenderize the chicken. Doesn't take a lot. Add in some hot sauce. That's how that flavor gets on up in there. That was about 3 tablespoons. Salt and pepper, a little bit of secret seasoning. Hey, and I keep telling y'all, once we get to 100,000 subs, hey, I'll release how to make this and mix. Now let this marinate for about 1 hour. And while it's marinating, let's get to work on our flour. About 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch or potato starch, salt and pepper, paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and of course, secret seasoning. Now stir. And that's our flour coating. Chicken been marinating. Let's go ahead and bread this and deep fry. So take our chicken chunks, throw them into the flour and give them a good mix. And remember, when breading chicken, pat this flour on, like squeeze it on, pat it on. Make sure it gets a good coat so that when it fry, it's nice and crispy, nice and coated. Check off the excess and place on a flour rimmed sheet. Once your grease is hot and ready, throw them in. And once all done frying, take your chicken out the grease and dump it onto a rack. And once all the pieces are fried, take a couple handfuls, throw them in. Take a preferred sauce of your choice. I just did some good old honey gold right here by Cowderman's, but I heated up with butter, honey, some seasonings, and a secret to how I do my honey gold sauce, I be squeezing in fresh orange juice from an orange into my honey gold to help give it a little bit of a citric flavor. So now, pour that in, hit it with some more seasoning, and coat the toss. One sauce, take one of your waffle cones, and yes, I know these aren't the most largest waffle cones, but they'll still work. Take your pieces and just place them on in there. Gotta strategically place this up in here. And here we go. 1 chicken and waffle cone with honey gold sauce. And then once you have all the chicken inside the cone, take one of your favorite condiments, which is a little ranch, and just go across the top a little bit. Hit it with a little parsley. And bam, 1 chicken and waffle cone dipped in honey gold sauce. What y'all think? How does it look to y'all? Looks even better now, Rich.
Ooh.
And now with the chicken and waffle cone all done, let's make a sweet one. What? Take the cone, And we have some melted white chocolate here. And what we're gonna do is simply dip the waffle cone, the rim, around in the white chocolate. And now I have some crumbled vanilla wafers right here. Just gonna coat it in that. See? Chocolate is all firm on the cone, the vanilla wafers too, and I got cheesecake filling right here in this bag. And all we're gonna do is pipe it up.
Pipe it up.
Pipe it up. Pipe it up. A little bit more.
You gotta put that Dairy Queen curve on it.
The Dairy Queen curve. And now what we do is we take some of this banana pudding, well, filling, just simply go across it like that. Bam. Drizzle. Now take a few more vanilla wafers, the crumbled ones. Just sprinkle it all on top.
Lord have mercy.
What y'all think about that?
It's all love.
All right, well here we are. We all done. Got the chicken waffle, and we got the banana pudding cone. Let's go ahead and eat. T, which one you want to try first? Both.
Oh, sure.
Hard
Y'all can share it.
decisions.
Just take a spoon and like dippy dip.
Yeah, because I'm like, I don't know which one.
Right.
All right, and got Rich and T back in the vlog.
I almost dropped this while you playing.
No cap. I had to focus up.
So y'all ready to try this?
Jeez.
All right. And y'all, yes, it's rare for me to actually be in camera view like this for once.
It's the first time I've experienced this. But, I don't know. I guess I'll just do this.
How'd you hit?
There you go. Good.
40 out of 10.
40 out of 10.
So how is that taste enveloping y'all mouths?
It's cool. I can feel the flavors melting on my tongue.
So y'all want to know something that would be funny?
What?
If I was to take this and just shove it in T face.
Why me? What did happen? Look.
What haven't you done?
You're the one holding it. Hey,
No, what I'm saying.
I see it right there.
That's what I'm saying.
I see it right there.
You can tell something is good if the person is smacking, and both of them smacking.
Look,
Mostly him though.
look, that is the black person way of saying it's good. Is when there are no words being spoken and the eating continues. Because if it wasn't good, I would have folded this cone in half.
How was you gonna fold it in half?
It would have happened.
So everyone, I think this was a success.
Indeed.
A big success, like always.
As always.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if y'all have any more ideas on what to do with waffle cone hacks like these, post them down below and like let me see y'all ideas.
Oh.
That too. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure you like the video, comment, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Well, bye.
Good.